My name is Awomosu. Can we meet you, please?
I'm Ayomide, my
I
Kalunge.
I am Mike Kalunge. All right. It's nice to meet you.
Same here.
Um, on Third Eye TV, we'll be asking you questions based on Yoruba spirituality, Yoruba culture, and tradition. So we want to know how much you know about all of these things, right?
Okay.
So we have 12 questions. You want to answer just three of them. So you pick any of these 12 questions
Okay, I can just pick a random number.
randomly.
Okay, three.
Number three. The number three question is, what's your opinion about Ifa?
Hey, wo. If if I is the oracle,
Okay.
um, I don't really know much about Ifa, but like according to the Yoruba movies I've watched, I feel like Ifa is one kind of oracle thingy that they consult to when they need answers or something like that.
That
Let me just
provide
put it that way.
solutions to
Yeah, proper
problems.
solutions to
All right.
problems.
Thank you. And that's exactly what it is. And I would implore you to, it's a learning environment. You can learn more about what it means online, but you are on track, right? So because of your time, you're a student, I don't want to waste your time. Let's go to the next question.
Five.
Number five. Number five says, tell us the how many Oduifa do we have?
I don't know.
No idea.
Three.
No, it's more than three. We have
Wow.
256
Uh-oh.
Oduifa.
I don't even know what Audrey five is.
Okay, Oduifa are Ifa corpuses. We have
Oh,
Ejiobe.
okay.
You know, you mentioned something about consulting. So they don't just consult. They get some certain answers when they make their inquiry. It's these things that they get that we call Oduifa.
Oh,
The output when they ask questions, when they consult. This is what we call Oduifa. So we have 256 of them.
wow.
So it is through this the Babalawos provide solutions to the questions asked. That's where they decode to get answers in the cosmic realm.
Oh,
You can read more about it online. It's a learning environment you get. So let's go to the third
number
question.
eight.
Number eight. Number eight says, "What's your take on Orisha?" If you hear Orisha, what do you think it means?
Orisha deity.
Deities.
Yeah. Mm, I don't really know. I don't feel like Orisha is just some kind of Yoruba spiritual thingy deity stuff.
Okay, that's what it is. And it is important for us to note on a show like this because we are learning that our Orishas, Yoruba spirituality, are there to help us to achieve our goals. They are not evil, they are not scary, they are there to help us, to assist us to achieve our goals. You have your own the Orishas that resonates with your own star, your spirit, and all. So if you are able to tap into their energies, they will help you achieve a whole lot of things. So this is what Orishas are. We have been able to teach ourselves, learn from you, get inquiries from me, and all. I would implore you to go online to solve more about all of this information.
All
Thank
right.
you for coming, and we have a little gift for you to solve to get internet on your phone.
Thank
Thank you.
you.